A good day. Welcome to another lesson on mathematics. Today we are going to revise a question from 2020. I think 2020, paper 1, question 9. You were required to solve for x. We were given the following. Given that bracket 2x minus 1 bracket squared is equals to 1, and you are required to solve for x. In this case, there are two ways in which you can solve this equation. And I prefer which one? Okay, it's not about what I prefer, it's about what you prefer. So in this case, some of you were going to first remove the bracket, which is going to be 2x minus 1 bracket 2x minus 1 is equals to 1, which gives you 4x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 1. Then which is 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 1. And with 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 1. And we know that from a quadratic equation, you need to make your right-hand side equal to 0. So it means I need to bring that 1 to the left-hand side, which gives you 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, because you need to take that 1 to that side. It is going to change the sign. Then you are going to be left with 4x squared minus 4x is equals to 0. Now you need to factorize. The common factor is 4x. Into the first term, you get x. And into the second term, you get minus 1 is equals to 0. Then we know with quadratic equation, therefore it means 4x is equals to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then dividing by 4. Therefore, x is equals to 0, or your x, you take this to the right-hand side, it becomes plus. X is equals to 1. Then you are done. Then there is another method. I know others were going to prefer this one. I also prefer this one. Minus 1 squared is equals to 1. This is a quadratic equation. And this is the simpler version of completing the square. Because you can see this one has been written as a square number in the right-hand side. So this was something like completing the square, but they have written this as a square number for you. So when you are completing the square, you know you will say 2x minus 1 is equals to remove the square root. To remove the square, you put square root on what? On both sides. This and this will cancel. But what is the square root of 1? The square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Not only 1. The square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Therefore, it means 2x minus 1 is equals to plus 1, or 2x minus 1 is equals to minus 1. That is the meaning of plus or minus. It means you first use the plus, and the second one you use the minus, which gives you 2x is equals to 1 plus 1. Because if we take 1 minus 1 to the other side, it becomes a what? A plus, which is equals to 2x is equals to 2 dividing by 2 dividing by 2. Therefore, your x is equals to 1. Or 2x is equals to minus 1 plus 1. Because if we take minus 1 to another side, it becomes what? A plus 1. Therefore, 2x is equals to 0. Dividing by 2, dividing by 2, your x is equals to 0. So whichever method you use, you still get the same answer. You can see from the top, you also get 0 and 1. In the second one, you also get 0 and 1. So it really doesn't matter which method you want to use, as long as it gives you what? The answer. And thank you for watching, and enjoy your day.